So I'm currently in the Aeolian Islands, just off the coast of Sicily, in Volcano, and I've just got to the crater, and I thought I would stop in with you guys and show you, because the views are insane. Like, look at that. That's just Eden. Ooh, so I'm currently on a university field trip, my last ever one. But now we're just looking at all the volcanism, and just thought I'd say hey. So thanks for watching. So before I go, I'd just like to show you the fumaroles. You can literally see them smoking. So you don't want to walk in that smoke because it is extremely sulfur rich, but how cool is that? It's an amazing place. Woo. Made it to the top and you can see all 8 volcanoes. Look at that. Woo. These are the fumaroles. And it stinks. Oh. It's generally like hard to breathe, but they are awesome. Ooh. And the sulphur's just coming out of the sort of like soil, I believe. Wait, I've gone a weird way.